I'm Renee Lucas, co-owner of LCS Heating and Cooling. We're going to give you a quick look at what to expect when we complete a duct cleaning service in your home. You'll notice that we'll arrive in our large box truck. It's helpful if we can have access to your driveway as the machine is quite large. Protecting your home is always a top priority. Before we begin, we'll be laying drop cloths throughout your home to protect the floors as we are using the hoses from the machine. The next step is getting the machine set up. Cleaning your ductwork cannot be done with a little shop vac. Our duct cleaning machine is a negative air system. It's a powerful system that pushes compressed air through the ductwork, while the other end is pulling the dust and debris to the bags and filters. The compressor part of the machine will actually sit outside while we bring the rest of the machine inside. As a result, your door will be cracked throughout the service. It's important to make sure your pets are kept somewhere safe so they don't get out. Please note that the compressor is loud, so it may be difficult to work or be on the phone while it's running. You'll see our technicians make their way through your home using hoses and brushes down each vent. Before placing the registers back over the vents, we will clean and dry each one. The furnace and air conditioner is off throughout the entire service, so we will turn it back on before we leave. Since the door has been cracked, it may take your furnace or air conditioner a couple of hours to meet the temperature setting on your thermostat. The amount of time this takes will depend on how hot or cold it is outside. This is why we often try to schedule duct cleaning when the outdoor temperature is mild. You can expect this service to take a minimum of 3 to 4 hours, but sometimes longer depending on the size of your home. The machine captures 99% of the dust from the ductwork. It can be expected that some dust will escape into the air. As a result, you may need to dust your home an extra time or two over the next few days as the dust settles. It's also very important to change your furnace filter within a week after duct cleaning is complete. You've made a great choice to have your ducts cleaned. Less dust in the air is great for your health and the health of your furnace. Thank you for giving all of us here at LCS Heating and Cooling the opportunity to service your home.